Okay, so good afternoon, guys. For this afternoon, I'll be showing you how to create or how to write a simple login form using Bootstrap. So this will be part of our Bootstrap series. So last week, what we have done is we have discussed how to write a simple web layout. Now, for this week, we are going to create a simple Bootstrap uh, login page. Okay, so let's now start coding. Okay, as you can already see, I've already opened my Bootstrap Bootstrap exercise 2. So let's try to code. Okay, here div class. We'll set it with only to 3 rems. Okay. Okay, let's try to put first div class row. my3. Okay. So basically what we want to do is we want to center the login form. So we added the class justify content center. Then we have here my3. Um, okay, my3 means that okay, let's try to make it 5. It's 5 rems from the top. Okay. Then next is let's try to add our card. We're using the card class div class card. Okay. Card header. Padding top 5. Let's try to close. Then div class card body. Okay. Let's try to add our form this time. Class div class 3. Label, have here username, input type, text, class, form control. Okay, let's try to see what's the output. Okay, so we have something like this already. So as you can see, this is the card header, this is the body, card body, and this is our footer. So our card for the meantime, our login form for the meantime only contains our username. Okay, as well as our text box. Okay, let's try to add this time our password as well as our button. Try to copy this so that it will be easier. And here, password, password. Okay. button class button. Okay, so it's also trying to change button primary. So the primary actually is uses the color blue. So we'll only be using primary as our for our button. Then have here button as well. Okay. Then try to add login. Okay, try to see what's the output. Okay, so um, as you can see, we already have created our login form. Okay, let's try to check. Okay, so we have here one, and we also have our at the bottom here our uh, password field, which is masked. Okay, so it's just a very simple, quick and simple way of trying to use Bootstrap for our login form. Okay.